Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a most asked question in MNCs, which is to check anagram or not. Given string is anagram or not. If we have given two strings S1 and S2, then we need to check given both strings are having equal values or not, equal type of characters, equal count of characters. Like if I have a word danger, so I have another string this is another string. So if we have the equal count of frequencies, then we can say this is an anagram. So you can see these are matching. There is no extra characters in it. If we found out any extra characters, then we need to say, we can say like it is not a valid anagram. It is not an anagram. For this, how can we do a solution for finding? Basically, the efficient way is by using HashMap. By using HashMap, we can check. Firstly, what we do is we will add the all key and frequencies of first string. So after adding all the key and frequencies of the first string, our hash map will be look like D is repeating one time, A one time, N is repeating one time, G is repeating one time, E is also one time, R is also repeating one time. So this will be added to the map for counting its frequency. So after counting this, we will take another for loop and we will check. We will iterate through the second string. This is the S2. We will iterate through the second string from the starting. We will check if map dot contains key of E. If E is present here or not. E is present. So what we do, we will decrement its frequency. Okay, we are decrementing the frequency here, and we check in that like if contains key, if contents of E is contents of E is equal to 0, then we will remove the key which is present in. So when this becomes 0, we will remove this. So again we will check for A. Again we will decrement this and we remove this. G, we decrement this and remove this. Here also decrement and remove. R is also there. We will decrement and remove. D is also present. We will decrement it and remove. So after that, our hash map is becomes empty. So the anagram check for both strings can only be satisfied when the hash map which we are taking is empty. Then we can say where the compared two strings are anagram or else not an anagram. So we will check this code in a online Java compiler. So before taking the hash map, we need to take two strings. This is the another string. So what we need to do? We need to iterate through the string and find the characters and the frequency of it. So we can store the values in character and integer type. We will take this as the creation of map, and we will iterate through each and every character of a string. So after getting all the values of the first string, the map will be look like more than a mistake here. common mistake of writing it in. Yeah, and sometimes isn't there really not correct. Sorry guys, what happened is mistake happened. For getting each and every value like this, we need to use map.enter here with what character and the integer which we are using. By this we can achieve that. So here if you see, we got all the frequency and count of it. So for getting in order, you can use linked HashMap. Okay, we got now in the sequential order. So now what we can do, we need to check the another string. We need to check another string, and we need to first, the base condition of this is if we have any, if s2 does not contain s1, then we can return it is not an anagram, or else we can check, we can continue. So what we need to check here, if the contains key is false, then we need to say it is not an anagram and return the program. Or else here we need to remove the frequency of it. So how can we remove the frequency of it? By decreasing the count of the hash map. So how can we decrease it? We can put this in. After getting the value, we need to decrement the value of it. Okay, understood? And we also need to check like if the key of the frequency of the key becomes 0, then we can remove the character from the hash map. And what I said, when we have this type of data here, so after checking the first one, it will become 0, and if 0, it will remove a, and a for a the frequency becomes 0 and it will remove. For d is also present, it will become 0 and remove. N is also present, here N is also present, so we need to decount it, and if N is 0, we will remove. G is also present, G is decremented and removed, so E is also becomes 0. Then the map is become empty here. Map has become empty. So we can return after the iteration of total. If the map is empty, then we can say that anagrams are valid. Both are valid, or else not an valid anagram. That's it. So what we need to do after the iteration, map dot is empty, we can print valid anagram, else we can print not an anagram. So what we got the valid anagram. So when we add another character which is not present in string 1, what would it will become? It would become not an anagram, because the value is having an extra thing here, so we have not an anagram here. So if we add the same frequency up here, and in this we can also have a loop code, like if we have given small, some of them are small, some of the characters in it are small, then we need to write some dot lowercase for what? Changing that into lower cases, because there will be no ambiguity for us. condition you can use. So if you have not used this one here correctly, then you can't get the values correctly. You can see it shows not an anagram, but this is an anagram. But having some of them are case sensitive, some of them are in capital, some of them are in small. So that's why for avoiding that, we use both of them to become lowercase. So the value will become correct. So this is it for today's video guys. Thank you. If you guys have any doubts, you can ask down in the comments. I'm free to answer.